Hello everyone, this is Gary Singh and this is my first video blog, and I've got this TaoTronics LED desk lamp and I wanted to show how it looks. I've just got it delivered by Amazon and I've already opened the box and I just wanted to show you how it looks and what are the qualities or description of the lamp. There's the packaging. What we've got here. This is the adapter for power. It's a bit heavy, about 2 kgs in weight. This is the paperwork. Oh, so here we have the lamp. Oh my gosh. Wow. As you can see, it's all LEDs. So, and it is quite adjustable. You can swivel around 180 degrees and swivel like that, adjust the height like that. So let's get started. Plug it in. So as you can see, this is ready, like I've already connected it with the power. And it's all touch buttons here, so even for power on, like there are different modes here and you can adjust the brightness as well. So let's get started. So in order to turn on, just tap on the power button and it's already lit up. So there are different modes. I think this is for like something coffee break or something. This is for reading. This is something romantic mood. This is a timer, I guess. And this is a night mode. So as you can see, this is the night mode. It's pretty good. Like during the night time, you will have a very small night lamp. Power it up. So these are the different brightness modes you can have. So you can see this is too much bright now. It's almost like a daylight. It's pretty good actually. And if I turn off my room light, you can see it's pretty much lighten up. It's very good for study. That's the study mode. Yeah, seems pretty good. Let's get back to the instructions or all the details which I have. So as you can see the details, like I've bought it for almost 120 Australian dollars, and this is the model TTDL15, stylish, like it is a metal lamp, and it has 5 volt and I think there is some USB port as well. Where is that? Oh yeah, it's on the side. So there is a 2 amp USB port. You can use it to charge your mobile devices. So these are the height and weight details, dimensions, and 240 watts, dimmable, adjustable, LED, and the weight is about 2 kgs. So that's pretty much. Even the customer reviews which I've seen here, it's pretty good. 4.8 out of 5 stars and 75 ratings. I think this is the best lamp which I've seen till now. And that's pretty much from me for today, and hope you like this video. Give a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Thank you.